Fruit vocabulary. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Blueberries, blueberries. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Cherries, cherries. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Grapes, grapes. Lemon, lemon. Lime, lime. Orange, orange. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Pineapple, pineapple. Plum, plum. Raspberries, raspberries. Strawberries, strawberries. Watermelon, watermelon. Review. Fruit vocabulary. Number 1, apple. Number 2, banana. Number 3, blueberries. Number 4, cantaloupe. Number 5, cherries. Number 6, grapefruit. Number 7, grapes. Number 8, lemon. Number 9, lime. Number 10, orange. Number 11, peach. Number 12, pear. Number 13, pineapple. Number 14, plum. Number 15, raspberries. Number 16, strawberries. Number 17, watermelon.